What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. So today we're going to go over how to put in those hood struts, because the Bronco only comes with, you know, this one right here. So we have one on right now. Let's see if I can try to take this down to show you. Again, need to put the other one in. Don't want to leave this one out without having both of them installed really quick. So this, as you can see, this one's in. Pretty easy to install. Not too sure if it's lined up 100% yet because the other one's not in, but I'm going to show you really quick where to mount them and what kit I bought. So this kit is the one I bought. This is what's going to go into the hood. It kind of, that's the resistance piece. So you're going to put it in to the second hole right here. As you can see, that's how it is over there too. So right below the square, you kind of just scoop it in and then pull for resistance and twist it. I did that with the other side. I didn't tighten it down fully until I had everything good to go over there for the strut. But what I did use was a 12mm socket, or actually I guess 12mm wrench, and then I pulled on it with the pliers just to kind of, you know, give it some resistance while I'm trying to tighten it so it doesn't just spin. So I had this on, tightening it, and I was pulling on this, but not hard, just kind of a firm grip to pull down while you tighten. And then you're gonna need a size 14mm socket to remove that bolt. So that's what I did over there. As you can see, it's a little bit more chaotic over there. This was the size 12 for the hood one. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna use the washer that's already on it, and then you're gonna put the washer underneath it. So that's what we're gonna do. Come over here, show you how this works. Kind of just come back here and take it out. So I'm gonna take this out really quick. This just takes time. Like I said, it's not really hard to do. I would recommend using a size 14 that doesn't have to have the little attachment. So I'm gonna find that to make it a little bit easier on me really quick, and then we will get back to it. But yeah, I'll just show you really quick. Yeah, it's super simple, super easy to do. Just kind of get it on there, and then once you get it off, you'll just put the new piece on, and I'll show you how that goes. All right, so now we have it off. As you can see, I'm just gonna put the bolt into the new piece. This is gonna face out or towards the engine, like that, and we should be good. So I'm just gonna show you how it should sit in here really quick. Bring it back over, place everything back into the hole, and tighten it really quick. Try to see if I can kind of show you. All right, that's about as far as I can go with my hand. So that's kind of how the new piece is going to sit when it's bolted down. It kind of turns itself in, and then it raises up, but that's how it will sit, like that. So I'm going to tighten that down, and then I'll show you how to finish tightening this piece to the hood down. All right, so this is tightened pretty good. As you can see, I left it like a little bit loose so it can move around as needed, and then I can finish tightening it. But really quick, I'll show you how to tighten this. So the easiest way that I found to do this, and again, you don't want to go super crazy on it, is put that in, kind of pull down, and tighten as you go. So I'm just kind of trying to keep it from moving around a lot. It's getting pretty tight. And again, I'm not trying to hold on crazy tight or anything like that. Just trying to give it some resistance so it'll tighten up. All right, let's see. Of course, now it's not going to sit really. There we go. There we go, we're starting to tighten down. Again, low resistance. But again, you don't want to squeeze it too tight because I'm not trying to get too much damages in there. Of course. All right. So let's see, I might have jacked it up a little bit, but we'll see if it clips in. Yeah, it goes in. Come over here. Push that up a little bit. So it looks like I need to tighten this down. Oops, sorry about that, knocked you over. So it looks like I need to tighten that down a little bit more over here, and it should be able to pop on. So let me tighten that a little bit to what it needs to be. It's moving a little bit too much. All right, so now what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna take the hood strut and just rely on the hydraulic hood strut. Try to lift this up a hair to get this to pop in. There we go, it's popped in. So now as you can see, we're relying just on the new struts. Pretty good resistance. It goes up nice and fast. So, like I said, now I'm gonna go back and tighten this one down since everything seems to be shutting pretty good. I need to get all my tools out of the way so I can really make sure that it's shutting without any issues. And then if it is, I can make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we'll go from there. So let's see. I'll get these tools out of the way and we'll test it out. Okay, so the hood is fully shut. Everything's sitting smooth. We're gonna open it up really quick to see how well those work. And again, I got these on Amazon, pretty cheap. I think they were like $30 for both. So I covered both sides. So we're gonna see how well these, yeah, it moves it up pretty fast. So definitely just don't let go, kind of control it so it doesn't, but it actually sits higher than what it was before, which is nice. As you can see, this slides in and out, fairly simple. The hood doesn't really even have to come up to get it back out. So yeah, this is a nice little add-on, little accessory you can do from Amazon to make it so you have you know, pretty standard hood for 2022 and newer vehicles, you know, because again, it's kind of crazy that it doesn't come with hydraulic to hold it up. Even my old 4Runner is hydraulic. So yeah, here's the kit, and again, here's the tools I used. That is not the right socket. Let's see where did I put that socket. Here we go. So I used a 14mm for the brackets that attach to the vehicle. I used a 12mm for the ones that attach to the hood. So again, just used the wrenches. It was the easiest. Held this down to give it a little bit more resistance while I was tightening it. Here's the instructions, but the instructions were like so-so, not very descriptive. And again, it actually gave me the wrong sizes. So here's what the kit comes with though. So the two bottom silver metal pieces that's gonna attach to your hood pins, and then you just screw those into the hood. The two center black pieces, that's how they pretty much attach, and you kind of, again, as you can see in that picture, have them face in towards the engine bay. So the little ball part to go into the strut is going this way. And on this one, it's going this way. So they're facing in towards the engine. And then, yeah, you kind of just tighten everything down, make sure it's good to go, and that's really it. And again, it shuts pretty easily, nice and smooth. You have to give it a little tough push to make sure it goes down, but there we go. Another accessory to the Bronco, and it's just coming together. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for other videos to come. And yeah, if you want to know how to do any of this stuff, it's all on my channel. You know, I added tow hooks, fog lights, light bar, bull bar, grill lights, anything like that. Yeah, check it out on the channel because all of it's on there, and I can show you exactly how to do it. So thank you for watching 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Thank you and have a good day.